Okay, so first cut out a rectangle out of black clay. Alright, so now just take a very thin strip of black clay and place it on your camera. Now take a small circle of clay and wrap a strand around it. And then just place it underneath that line of clay, like this. Alright, so now we're going to cut out a sort of triangle-ish shape. We're going to do this part right up here. So it's really easy, just Alright, so now we're going to do some texturing. So take a dotting tool and just like make little dots everywhere. So it's really easy. And then what we're going to do to make a sort of wooden texture at the top is just take your dotting tool and go like that. And just play around with it until you get the texture that you want. Alright, so now I'm just taking a tiny little ball of clay and sticking it up there as a button. Alright, so now just go ahead and bake it. Alright, so here it is after I've baked it. And now you're just going to take some gold acrylic paint, and I got mine from Michael's. And we just want to take very, very little amounts on our paintbrush and just like gently go over it. Like, look, that's way too much already. But it's gonna like pat it on. Alright, so then the last thing you need to do is just take a ring base, which I got off of eBay, and some super glue or whatever glue of your choice. I wouldn't recommend hot glue though because it's not really very strong, but you're just going to glue on your camera. Oops. Like so. So yeah, that is how you make a vintage camera ring, and it's really, really cute. So yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial.